Dear Sherry, I'm looking to infuse bars of soap with cannabis. Does your online DIY topicals course cover this? Short answer, no it doesn't. I'm going to tell you why in just a second, but before I do, I just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. Okay, my online DIY topicals course covers a whole lot of cannabis topicals, lots of them, and I'm going to talk about them in a minute. But it does not cover soap for the simple reason that soap doesn't stay on your skin very long. You lather up and you rinse it away. So it really doesn't have a lot of time to do its work. So I find that soap would be kind of wasteful of cannabis because it's not going to impart that much in the way of therapeutic benefits. Now, if you don't know about cannabis topicals, there'll be links in the comments below to more information about them in general, but the cannabis can bind to cannabinoid receptors in the skin and can really provide exceptionalized, localized relief for pain, for inflammation, for menstrual cramps, headaches, all kind of different conditions topical cannabis can treat. But I like to use it in topicals that either stay on the skin or really have time to soak in. So in my course, we cover lots of different topicals. I have healing salves for all kind of different conditions, from headaches to cramps to arthritis, all different kind of things. Body butters, moisturizing body butters and salves, massage oils, bath soaks, and bath bombs. Those are really fun. They're fizzy fun in the bathtub, but they're also very therapeutic because you are soaking in that cannabis, so it has time to do its work. I even have lip balms and sex lube and more. So there's lots and lots of different topicals covered in the topicals course, but not soap, just because soap doesn't have time to interact. However, if you have your heart set on making soaps, it can be done, and how you would do it is you would infuse the fat that you're using to make your soap and then use that as an ingredient. Now, if you don't know how to infuse a fat, there'll be a link in the comments below for instructions on how to do that. You also could infuse glycerin if you were making glycerin soaps, but it's not as effective because glycerin only absorbs about a third as much cannabis as the oils do, so it's not great. But that's how you would do soap if you really want to. But I would avoid making cannabis infused soap because I think it's kind of a waste of weed, and make any of the other topicals. And there will be a link below too to a free say that 3 times fast, a free body butter tutorial. So be sure to sign up for that. And it includes my lavender green tea infused body butter that's easy to make and amazing. See you next time.